Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can track your shipment on DHL. So I'll be showing you an easy way on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to track your shipment, what you need to do is first thing, open up your web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in www.dhl.com. So the link will be different according to the country or the resident. Since I'm residing in Nepal, so I have this dhl.com/np, which means Nepal, and in your case this will be different. You'll need to select the link according to the location that you're residing on. So what you can do is you can simply open up any web browser and then on the search box type in track my DHL shipment, and after that you'll be able to see the link according to your location. Once you type in the link, you'll be taken to this kind of interface that is track and trace. So you need to enter in your tracing number or your tracking number. So you need to enter in the code. Once you enter in the code, you need to click on the track button in the right hand side corner. After that, you'll be able to see your shipment. However, if you're unable to do with this method, then what you can do is call the customer service and then say trace a parcel using the speech recognition telephone system. This service will be available for 24/7, and so all you need to do is provide in your tracking number or the code, and then you'll be able to get an update regarding your tracking of your shipment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.